Hey guys, how you doing? I'm all right. Thanks for asking. So today, we're going to be breaking down the US 30 trade. And guys, this is really, really crazy. And I actually took this trade exactly at 17 hours. Guys, this was crazy. And I'll tell you the reason why I was taking this trade at 17 hours. It's because at first, I was actually looking forward to take a buy somewhere around here, and this was my setup. You already know my setup, guys, my entry criteria. If this is like, if you don't know, maybe you're new on my channel, please check my previous videos so that you should be able to know what I'm talking about. And when I actually saw this setup, I was like, okay, fine, let's buy. And I was actually in this trade. And yeah, man, when it was quarter to four, it was pretty amazing because we actually okay, let me just like take you wait. Okay, anyway, but yeah, I'll just put like a screenshot somewhere here. So this was where I entered the trade, and I was looking forward to see making more profits. And then what happened was that the trade just shoot up. Let me just show you. The trade just shoot up to these levels and then dropped, and then he stopped me out. And it was really, really very painful, guys, because like you have already seen profits, and then the trade just goes down and then takes you out. So I want to like show you how everything was done. So this is exactly where I entered the trade, and let me just do this. Okay, let me go on a 1 minute time frame so that it should be more visible. All right, guys. So this was 3:30, and I was already in the trades, enjoying. And okay, wait, where am I? Okay, fine. This was my trade initially. So I entered somewhere around there, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, I entered somewhere around there, if I'm correct. And my stop loss was just below this area. Was just below this zone, and so you can see, guys, like uh everything was pretty cool. I actually entered exactly at 4 p.m., and then I can just say at 16, yeah. And then the trade went up, boom. And the minute it went up, I was like, yeah, that's really, really great. And I wanted like to lock in, but then all of a sudden the market just turned down and then took me out. It was really, really painful. And I actually also put here the loss. That was like, yeah, I took a $300 loss. And then when the market was somewhere around here, I was like, let me wait, because sometimes you have to wait like for 1640 for you to exactly know what is going to happen. So this was like 1640, and I saw price pushing to the downside. I was like, okay, this is great. Let me enter. So I entered a sell right there, and I actually shared the signal with the students. This was like the sell right now. You're seeing what you're seeing right now. Yeah. So I sold, stop loss above here, take profits down there, deep, deep, deep. Okay, fine. So um now the trade started pushing to the downside. Boom. You can see right here that we were in profit over 400. We had made what we have lost on the first trade, and that was like good. And also, yeah, this is like exactly at 17, price pushed down, and it was crazy, guys. And I was so much excited, and I just knew that now we are good. So I actually locked in my profits, and then the market kept on going down. We made over, you can actually see we made over $600. Yeah, so don't be surprised, guys. This is like one of my funded accounts, so that's why money like looks big, bruh. And then we pushed down, man. This is crazy. And I actually moved my stop loss to this level, and then uh when I moved my stop loss to okay, wait, when I moved my stop loss to this level, I was actually like good. And actually also this was my TP. So the trade did not literally hit my TP. Why? Because I removed my TP. I removed my TP. I actually closed this trade manually, because where I was putting my TP was, I don't know, what can I say? Uh it was so close, and I knew that this is gonna like continue melting. And yeah, you can actually see the trade continue melting, and I actually closed right there. And yeah, man. So this is where I entered first. You can see what I was telling you, that I entered a buy right here. When I entered a buy, everything was pretty good, and I was actually doing. And then the market just hit my TP, and then I took like I wanted like to sell. I sold, and then I was like, let me not sell in this space. Let me wait for 1640 so that I can actually sell with confidence. So I actually waited for 1640, and then I sold with confidence, and then the trade just went like this. Guys, this is why I like to trade US 30, because like you're only in a trade in less than an hour and then you're out, you know? you're out right now. This is actually the trade, and everything is pretty beautiful, guys. You can actually see everybody eats, and I'm super excited for this beautiful trade that we have took today because man, oh this is crazy. Oh, let me remove this. Okay, let me just go delete. Yeah, this is crazy, crazy. When I said this is crazy, guys, get me right. So now let's go in the detail on how I was able to take the trade. Okay, how I was able to take the trade. So I'll not like bother talk much because this is like this was like a supplementary trade after a losing trade. So this is just me trying to encourage you guys when you take a losing trade, don't always like give up, say, okay, because it's a loss, I'll come back tomorrow. There should always be a reason. Maybe the market is not like giving you a clear picture of where it's going or whatsoever. That's when you can say, okay, fine, I'll come tomorrow. But for me, I'll tell you that um, this was also one of my areas where I was looking at because price has been trading in this zone for like first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Price was just like in this area. So the minute the price actually dropped down and then closed below, I was like, man, this is actually like, okay, let me just remove this. I was just like, if price has managed, because the reason why I was buying is because price was trading above this key level or key zone. Okay, so just like, yeah. And the minute price just broke and started trading below, I was like, this is nice. What do I do? I'll just like wait for a rejection and then I enter the trade. So I actually waited for a rejection and then I entered a sell. Guys, you can see the trade was pretty beautiful. And now we have mailed it to the downside. And yeah, this is like dope. You can see that we just registered these lows. And maybe we might be looking for a buy, but I'm not gonna enter today. I'm not gonna like enter this trade anyway. I'll just you can see that price just came and also like gave us a change of character. Maybe price might be selling or pushing to the downside, or maybe we might see price coming here and then continue selling to the downside. I don't know. But yeah, that's pretty like how I was able to take this beautiful trade on NASDAQ, I mean on US 30. And remember, guys, we also took a very beautiful trade on US 30 right here, and I've already made a video about that. And yeah, man, it's pretty good. Otherwise, guys, I think I'm gonna stop here. Let me just remove everything and yeah, man. So thank you for watching this video. And if you'd like to be part of my Forex signals or part of my community, please just check my social media handles, more especially on whether you go on TikTok, you still find a link to my group. Whether you go on Facebook, you still find my contacts. Whether you go on Instagram, but I think on Instagram is pretty hard but yeah, come on Instagram, text me. I'll be able to reply to you and you let me know what you want. If you want signals, signals are going at $15. And if you want let's say one-on-one mentorship is going at $50. And if you want just free lessons, you can just come. Free lessons are free. So it's pretty amazing. Otherwise, like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's meet in the next video. And don't forget to hit that icon bell so that every time I post a video, you should be notified. Have a very good day. Goodbye.